Hello everyone. In this video, let us learn Euclid's division algorithm. So example 1 and exercise 1.1 question number 1 we are going to learn in this. So Euclid's division algorithm. The steps to apply Euclid's division algorithm is given here. The HCF of two positive integers, for example C and D, when C is greater than D, we need to follow the following step. Step 1. Apply Euclid's division lemma to C and D. We find the whole numbers Q and R such that C is equal to DQ plus R, where 0 is less than or equal to R is less than D. So C can be obtained by multiplying D into Q plus R, and the remainder should be maybe equal to 0 or greater than 0, but it should be less than divisor. If the remainder is equal to 0, D is the HCF of C and D. If it is not equal to 0, apply the division lemma once again. So step 2, if the remainder is equal to 0, HCF of C and D is D. If remainder is not equal to 0, apply division lemma once again. Now continue the process till you get the remainder 0. So at this stage will be required HCF. This division algorithm works because HCF of C, D is equal to HCF of D, R, where symbol of HCF of C, D denotes HCF of C and D. So let us learn example 1, Euclid's division algorithm to find HCF of 4052 and 12576. So let us consider 12576. When you multiply 4052 with 3 and adding the remainder, you may get 12,576. So 4052 into 3 plus 420 will give you 12,576. Now apply this process for 4052 and 420 once again. So 4052 can be obtained by multiplying 420 and 9, then adding a remainder 272. 420 into 9 is 3780 plus 272 will give you 4052. We didn't get the remainder 0, so do the process once again. 420 can be obtained by multiplying 272 with 1 plus remainder is 148. In this stage also we didn't get the remainder 0, so apply the process once again for 272 and 148. 272 is equal to 148 into 1 plus remainder 124. Do the process once again for 148 and 124. 148 is equal to 124 into 1 plus remainder 24. Now do it once again. 124 is equal to 24 into 5 plus 4. Now 24 is equal to 4 6R plus 0. Now in this stage we got the remainder 0. So once when you reach the remainder, we can say HCF of the given two numbers is equal to 4. So the two numbers are 12,576 and 4052. So HCF of these two numbers is 4. Now let us move on to exercise 1.1. So first question, use Euclid's division algorithm to find the HCF of 135 and 225. So we have taken two numbers 135 and 225. So 225 can be obtained by multiplying 135 once plus the remainder is 90. Now do the process once again for 135 and 90. 135 is equal to 91 times plus 45. Now do it once again. 90 can be obtained by multiplying 45 twice plus 0. Now here in this stage we got the remainder as 0. Once when the remainder becomes 0, we can say 45 is the HCF of the given two numbers. So HCF of 135 and 225 is equal to 45. Now let us move on to second subdivision. Second subdivision is 196 and 38,820. So 38,220 is nothing but 196 times 195 plus the remainder becomes 0. So in this question, in the first step itself, we have got the remainder as 0. Once when you reach the remainder 0, we can stop with this. So HCF of 196 and 38,220 is 196. So once when you reach the remainder 0, we can stop with this. Let us move on to the third part. The question is 867 and 255. So 867 is equal to 255 into 3 when we multiply 3 times and adding a remainder 102. Now do the process once again. 255 is equal to 102 into 2 plus 51. Now do it once again. 102 can be written as 51 into 2 plus 0. Now we have got the remainder 0. So the HCF of 867 and 255 is equal to 51. Hope you understand this. Thank you.